Artificial intelligence sounds intimidating, doesn't it? But what if I told you it's not just for tech wizards? It's for everyone. Hi, I'm David, and when I see a problem, and if I have the skills to help others with a solution, then I'll step up and take on that challenge. And I see a problem in the offices when I visit my clients. I see a workforce divided. Some people take up new technologies with ease, and others are hesitant or getting left behind. And I'm talking about AI. Here, I want to introduce you to someone.
Hi, I'm an AI agent. I'm not real. I look convincing. I sound pretty normal, but I don't exist. What's more, this video you're watching of me was produced in just a few seconds. David uploaded this script that I'm relaying to you, and I just happened.
Crazy, isn't it? But you know what's even crazier? I didn't use any specialized skill. It isn't a trick, and I made the entire video for free.
We are living at a time that AI-assisted technologies are available literally at our fingertips. I'll bet the computer or phone you're looking at right now has Siri, Alexa, Copilot, Gemini, ChatGPT, or Grok. You have access to tools that automatically produce text, video, even music. Imagine you can produce grant applications, proposals, policies, and business process documents in seconds. But having access to these tools does not mean you're instantly comfortable and proficient with them.
And that's where I come in. Let us explain.
We're here to bring AI for everyone, a training workshop to your company. Designed especially for office staff, administrators, and professionals who aren't tech-savvy, this one-day session breaks down AI into simple, everyday terms.
We're talking about real-world tools that your team can use today, no coding required. Imagine your employees using AI to write emails faster, creating documents in a snap, gathering information from the internet, or exploring new ideas together. This isn't science fiction. It's practical, time-saving tech that's already here. Your employees will learn how to leverage tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, Grok, or other AI-assisted technologies to assist in their work. We'll cover what AI is and what it isn't, plus how to spot limitations and how to use it ethically. No jargon, just hands-on examples that they can relate to. This is interactive training for the serious but cautious. It's perfect for small business owners and office pros, or anyone who's wondered, where do I even begin?
By the end, they'll walk away confident with skills they can use right away. They'll master AI for daily tasks, understand its possibilities, and know how to keep learning.
It's about empowerment, not intimidation. The best time to help your employees with this new technology was yesterday, but it's not too late. It's your chance to bring your team into the future without the fear. Let's make AI work for everyone. Contact me today to schedule this workshop for your company. Ask me about group rates and availability. AI is here to stay. It's advancing rapidly, and it's for everyone.